Hello children, Standard 7 Math, Exercise 10.5, question first. Construct the right angle triangle PQR, where angle Q is right angle, QR 8 cm and PR 10 cm. Rough diagram is here. Rough sketch આપણે અહીંયા draw કરેલો છે. Steps also written here. Steps પણ લખેલા છે. Now I am going to teach you how to construct. So let's start. First, angle Q right angle. So Q વાળી સાઈડ આપણે ચૂઝ કરવાની. Q જ્યાં હોય એ સાઈડ આપણે ચૂઝ કરીશું. So QR is 8 cm. QR 8 cm. Line segment draw કરીશું. Then give label QR 8 cm. Right angle Q. Open your compass as convenient measurement with Q as a center. From here, first arc 60 degree, (120°). With help of 60 and 120, we get right angle. આપણને right angle મળી જશે. It is ray QX. આપણો ray બન્યો QX. Now PR 10 cm. 10 cm take radius. Open your compass. Okay, with R as a center, draw an arc. So this intersecting point is a P. Now join PR and measure it also. Measurement લેજો તો તમને PR 10 cm મળી જશે. And angle Q right angle. Draw QR, line segment QR 8 cm જે આપણે ડ્રો કરી. Draw QX, આપણે રે QX ડ્રો કર્યું, રે QX કે જેથી આપણને રાઈટ એંગલ મળે Q. And now take 10 cm radius. પછી 10 cm નું રેડિયસ લીધું. With R as a center, draw an arc which is intersect ray QX at point P and join PR, and we get required triangle PQR. I hope that you understand